Hey there, my name's Tom from the Start.ca service desk. It's nice to talk to you today. We're making a video to do an unboxing of your Start TV set-top box. Let's open it up and see what's inside. First of all, you're going to notice that you get some really great information up here. You get some cards and a little sticker, set-top box connection card. Now also Start TV setup, a Google account setup so that you can hook up any sort of Android devices to your Start TV. And of course our handy terms of service, which are also available on our website. Now let's open this box up and see what's inside. For the purposes of this video, we've taken the dust jackets off of all the equipment just so you can see what it looks like without seeing me actually open the plastic. We've got the set-top box, which you notice is quite small. We got a 12-volt adapter as well. Now in terms of the wires, you get an Ethernet cable as well as an HDMI cable. And then of course you get the handy dandy remote. Alright, so let's talk about this set-top box. Again, you're going to notice that it's very small, but it's very powerful. Let's take a look at the connections on the back. You'll see here that there is a power button for off and on. We've got our power outlet adapter is going to get plugged into this. We've also got an HDMI cable that's going to get plugged into your TV or your home theater system. We've got an Ethernet cable here so you can plug it directly to your modem or your router if you like. It is also a wireless device though, so you don't necessarily need to have it plugged in. Spinning this box around to the side, you'll notice that we've got a memory card slot as well as two USBs, so in case you wanted to watch a photo slideshow, you can always pop them in there and see that on your TV as well. Now let's move on here. We've got a 12-volt adapter. You'll see we have a generous amount of cable. Let's actually just plug it in here. You'll see that it's going to go in just like that. I'm going to plug it into my power source over here. Green means go in my world, so we'll leave that on for now. You'll notice we here have an Ethernet cable as well. It's really handy to actually plug into your router. We've got an HDMI cable, also with very handy twist ties on it. My recommendation is that you can also reuse those twist ties to organize your cables behind your TV so you don't have a spider nest. Or if you have a cat at home that likes to eat wires like I do, it's also handy for keeping all that stuff safe and out of their way, and keeping the cat safe too. Make sure that you take off these little plastic caps. Once we grab our HDMI cable, we put it into the HDMI slot, just like so. This, of course, once I take the plastic tip off, is going to get plugged into my television or my home theater system. Just going to unplug this. We'll put our HDMI back here, leave that plugged in. Now we're going to talk about the remote. Beautiful piece of equipment. It's not too heavy, it's not too light. It has some weight to it. It's robust. I'm actually going to open it up here for the first time, expose it to our beautiful environment in the air. So you'll see that it has a nice Start branding on the bottom of it. It has a lot of functionality on it. We're going to have some more videos that will explain more information about what you can actually do with the remote later. But since we're doing an unboxing, we're actually going to talk about the batteries as well. Once you pull the batteries out, you'll notice that they're actually wrapped up in this little plastic case. Now, for your safety, I'd recommend that you do a twist like this. There's quite a simple way to get inside of there without having to use a dangerous knife. So we're going to open the back. We'll slide it open. We'll plug our batteries in just like this. I didn't mention it earlier, but these are AAA batteries. So there you go. There's our remote. Right out of the box, it's going to be hooked up to infrared technology, which means it does need to be directly inside of the set-top box. However, for your convenience, you can also switch it over to Bluetooth technology. So if you're more style conscious and you don't want to have your set-top box, within sight, you can always pop it somewhere where it's hiding, and your Bluetooth will be able to see it through different pieces of furniture or walls. All right, so at this point, all you need to do is connect your set-top box to your TV or home theater system. If you want to know how to do this step by step, there's another video coming up called Connecting Your Set-Top Box to Your TV. If you signed up for Start TV already and you're waiting to get your hardware, awesome, thank you very much. We know you're going to love it. If you're thinking about still ordering Start TV, you can go to Start.tv. It's full of useful information, including channel listings. You can also sign up online if you like. You can always contact us at 1-888-668-0001. One of our friendly service desk agents is going to be happy to help. We're here 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can also contact us on our social media channels. If you want links for those, you can always go to Start.ca. Until next time.